Hello, my friends. David Kessler here, and thank you for stopping by the studio. I appreciate it. This is the final video in a series that I've been doing where I'm painting 6x6 canvases for a fundraiser for the Lafayette Art Association in Lafayette, Louisiana. I'm doing 4 complimentary color paintings, right? If you want to know more about their fundraiser, they're going to have an auction of at least 100 paintings done by artists from all over. Beautiful stuff that you're going to want to get for your home or for your office. You can go to their website, Lafayette Art Association. I'm sorry, I don't know what the URL is, but you can look it up. Mr. Google will have that answer for you. Great people down there. Love helping them out whenever I can. They have not asked me to do this. I'm just doing it. I'm going to send them down there in hopes that it will help them. It helps, keep their organization going every year. And I think this is an annual fundraiser that they do. So please, if you can, help them out. If you like any of these paintings that I've done, contact them and say, hey, I want one of DK's paintings, and they'll help you out in any way they can. All right? And if you want to help me out, which would be great, you can always subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then go to the links in the description for courses that I have for sale. And there's also some affiliate links for products, brushes, and stuff like that in there if you want to help the channel out. All right? Thanks a lot for being here. Love you guys. Appreciate what you do for me. Let's get to the paint. Okay, let's start working on our yellow, green, red, violet painting. Now, we're going to have to mix up some color. Again, I'm using golden heavy body acrylic paints. I put this purple out by mistake. I've got ultramarine blue, quinacridone magenta. These two make a wonderful violet. I have light, or rather medium magenta, teal. These two make an amazing violet, believe it or not. And then I have my light violet, which I can mix with this to get a sort of a red violet. Now, we can put a little bit of white in there just so we can see what that color is. Look at that. Ooh, baby. That's a beautiful, beautiful red violet right there. Beautiful red violet. Okay. I have to remember that I'm making red violet, red violet, red violet, which means more red than blue. And this combo makes a very, very interesting color. Very different from the other red violet. So, I like to lay my darker values in first, so let's give that a try. Let's see. Work these edges a little bit here. I'll leave a little bit of that showing. Edges are all ready. Really hard. little yellow green right here. These little guys are just too small to sign the entire name, so there you go. That's it for red, violet, and yellow green. Hey, thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you in the next one.